All of you have visited Taj Mahal. In Taj Mahal, the floor designs wall of the Taj. Here with the same work because we are the same family block who work in Taj in 17th century. This is our 14th generation with the same only passing generation to generation. And for that workmanship, we use some semi-precious stone like this. These all are the same gemstones used in Taj Mahal.
Wow.
Some stones we get in local from India and some other part of the world. Like you can see, lapis lazuli we get from Afghanistan. Malachite from Russia. Turquoise we get from Turkey. In Taj we use the Arabic letters. Then there is some black onyx come from Belgium. Shell from Indian Ocean. And among all, this is the main stone from the Taj Mahal called cornelian, and the specialty of that stone, when you put light, it's glowing like a fire.
Cornelian.
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 Yes, ma'am. And the specialty when you put light is glowing like a fire.
Where do you get this from?
Locally from India, from Gujarat, ma'am.
Gujarat?
Yes, ma'am. In a moonlight time, only that stone, it's all glowing in the Taj. Then we take gemstones. With the help of this hand grinder, we make floor designs. See, just like the craftsman, one hand rolling the wheel, one time with his finger, he take the stone and he giving a shape of stone, making a small design. Like this. You can see he making like a small pedal, ma'am.
Oh, he made a petal.
Yeah. Like here you can see the craftsman making a beautiful flower. Like this. Here you can see.
Wow.
And they're all separate parts.
Wow.
On different petals.
Yes, ma'am.
And how do they stick it?
Ma'am, after making that, we take the white piece of white marble like this. Same marble used in Taj Mahal. We're getting local from India, from Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, place called a Makrana, like 400 kilometers far away from here. And marble, natural color is white. And here you can see we colored with the temporary henna color. Why we color on that? Because white on white we can't see design, we can't see pattern clearly. But on that we can easily and perfectly outline like this.
Right.
That's why we colored, just to see the outlining, just to see the design. Then we take floor design, we lay out on the marble, then we make a perfectly outlining. After making outlining, we remove the flower. Then under the outlining, we dig out the marble with the body picture like this. We take a chisel with the body picture, we dig out the marble like this.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Can try yourself, ma'am.
No, I don't want to try.
Guys, want to try? I will hold this.
Can try and feel the hardness of this Makana marble.
Yeah.
We need power, but with the patience, because we do under the outlining, the slightly out, the whole piece is waste.
Oh. Oh wow. That's like a craftsman, no Sparsh. So it has to be.
Do one thing,
gentle.
stay here, we will teach you, then we'll get a new job with us.
To construct one another Taj Mahal.
For your wife, in a life.
अपना नाम लिख देते हैं.
How do you clean up this?
Nice.
After the ma'am, I will explain you. We dig out the marble like a 2 and 4 millimeter deep, then fix the stone inside the marble with the traditional glue. The same glue used in Taj Mahal. And you can see the very hard form. When we put on the fire, glue melt like a paste. And the specialty of that glue, melt only once, second time never get melt.
Wow.
And the recipe of that glue, it's a very secret, like Pepsi and Cola. Only my family member knows how we make this kind of glue. Even I don't know yet. It is a tradition in my family. When I will get married, then my father teach me the recipe of that glue. Before marriage, in my family, nobody knows the recipe of that glue. Then we fix the stone inside the marble. After fixing the stone, ma'am, we put some water like this.
Okay.
Then we use sandstone. We just rub out the marble like this.
Okay.
Then you can see all henna color is comes off marble from white as a piece of Taj like this. See.
Woo.
The same process, same technique used in Taj Mahal. That's why Taj Mahal took long time, like 22 years, by 20,000 workers because of that delayed work. And still days, every Friday, Taj Mahal is closed. We go to the Taj Mahal for the worship and for the maintenance work in the Taj. And rest of the days, we do own work.
Nice.
And it's a small part of demonstration. We have a big factory. They're like 135 family members, like 1600 craftsmen do the same work. My uncle, my cousins, many people do the same work. So I hope all of you understand the making.
Yeah.
Everything's clear.
This color, you said it is what the color?
Just having your
Henna.
temporary color, henna color.
Henna.
एक होता है पक्का हैना जो हाथों पे लगाते हैं, एक होता है कच्चा हैना घेरू का जो हम लोग वगैरह पे लगाते हैं, इसको टेम्पररी हैना बोला जाता है मैम.
Okay, वो है.
जी मैम. So please come with me. I'll show you how to after washing, polishing and marble on the light effect. Please come with me.
Awesome. Thank you.
Please, all of you in the couch here. I'd like to show you this marble on the light effect, then you can walk on here. Please have a seat here. Please have a seat.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at this table.
Look at it. आप बनाए? Sit up.
So now, all of you can touch and feel the work. You can see all henna color is come. So marble white as a piece of Taj Mahal. Now it's look like a painting, but all gemstones used in the white marble. So here I like to show you the light in Taj Mahal. Which stone is glowing with the light and which stone are shining. So I just turn off the light. Please don't mind and don't be scared. Okay?
Okay.
So if you put a light on a blue lapis lazuli, it's become a dark like how big it's not glowing with the light.
Huh.
Same thing if you put on turquoise, it's also become dark, it's not glowing with the light. But if you fix the light on the orange cornelian, it's all glowing like a fire. See? As I told you in the moonlight time, only that stone, it's all glowing in the Taj. And marble also translucent. If you fix the light underneath the marble also glowing with the light.
Nice.
So here I like to show you two kind of views of Taj Mahal. When you go Taj Mahal in the sunrise in the early morning, Taj Mahal look like this.
Whoa.
That's the sunrise view of the Taj in the early morning.
Oh my God.
And when you go Taj Mahal in a full moon, in a moonlight time, Taj Mahal look totally different and very beautiful. Now you can see the beautiful view of moonlight. It's pure white.
More brighter in the morning.
Pure white.
And here you can see only the orange stone, it's glowing, and other stone just become a dark.
Yeah.
And maybe you had a candlelight dinner, forget the candlelight dinner, enjoy the marble light dinner with your friends, with your family. And sometime if you put a spotlight, you can see the shell from Indian Ocean. It's sparkling like a silver enamel.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
And when you see the real marble from the back side, you can see the crystal. Can you see the sparkling crystal like a small star?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the same marble used in Taj Mahal. Something fake in that you can't see the crystal. It is of fake quality.
Ah.
That kind of quality people tend to sell near the monuments, big cities, Bombay, Delhi, call a marble. And how it does that? Simple. If you take a coin and try to sketch with a soft hand, sketchable like a chalk. See?
Wow.
Same thing on the real marble, nothing to worry. In the same way people want to use in the kitchen like a cutting board, cheese board, they can use that. And here you can see inlaid, these all plastic, not gemstone. So be careful this kind of quality. And real marble is one of the hardest marble in the world, it not breaks easily. And marble, good character, it is known porous. By mistake spill tea, coffee, red wine, beer, nothing is stain on that.
It won't stain, no?
Nothing, man. And just for the knowledge, just for the idea, the price always depend on the work, not on the size. Something like this inlaid like a 584 number of stones. If you count the stone using that, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 584 stones used in that piece took 25 days work by 2 artists. That one cost you in rupees 14,600 rupees.
Okay.
That one inlaid like a 720 number of stones took almost 30 days work by 2 artists. That one cost you in rupees 18,000 rupees with delivery. So in the same size, less number of stones, less in the price, more number of stones, more in the price. The price always depend on the work, not on the size.